Good morning. Let us go to the next article. XNOR gate or exclusive NOR gate. In the earlier lecture, we talked about XOR or exclusive OR gate. We have studied the universal building blocks NAND and NOR. NOR and XNOR, NOR and exclusive NOR are completely different from each other. The truth table we discussed for exclusive OR gate is this: inputs A and B. So there will be only two input conditions. Y is equal to A XOR B for XOR gate. Y is equal to A XOR B whole bar for XNOR gate. Two inputs, four input conditions. Zero plus zero, zero, zero plus one, one, one plus zero, one, one plus one, zero. This is the truth table for two input XOR gate. When we put a bar over this A XOR B, it will be A XNOR B. Okay, 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0, 1 will become 0, 0 will become 1. Inputs, two inputs, four input conditions. Output for two input XOR gate, two input exclusive OR gate. Output for two input XNOR gate, exclusive NOR gate. XNOR gate or exclusive NOR gate is a logical gate which can be defined as a logic gate which has high input, high outputs. A logic gate which has high outputs only when the inputs are same. 0, 0, 1, 1. Inputs are same, output is high. In other cases, when the inputs are different, output of this logical gate will be 0. Such a gate is known as XNOR or exclusive NOR gate. A logic gate having two or more inputs, only one output, such that its output is high when inputs are same and its output will be low when inputs are different. And the symbol for this gate is symbol of two input XNOR gate is this. And what is the Boolean expression for this? Y is equal to A bar, B bar or A B. A bar, B bar, A B. So Boolean expression for two input XNOR gate is this. Let us construct a circuit for this one. So I need two NAND gates, one NAND gate here, one NAND gate here, AND gate, AND gate, AND gate. this is one AND gate, this is other AND gate, input A, input B, So using the basic gates, NOT gate, NAND gate, OR gate, the XNOR gate is obtained. This is nothing but A XNOR B. This is nothing but A XNOR B. Encircled symbol, encircled plus sign is symbol for XOR operation. XOR operation. When a bar is put over this, it will be the XNOR operation. Okay. This way, this is the 2-input XNOR gate, and such 2-input XNOR gate can be obtained by using these logic gates, the basic logic gates. We may have one more way of getting XNOR gate using the other gates. These are input A, input B, So this is other way of getting the two input XNOR gate. What we have done, input A, input B, AB applied to NAND gate, AB applied to OR gate, output of NAND gate AB whole bar, output of OR gate A or B. This is second NAND gate, A or B and A and B whole bar and A or B whole bar. This bar is splitted here, so AND will be replaced by OR, AB bar bar double bar, or in the bracket A or B whole bar. Double bar get cancelled, only A and B left. Or this bar is splitted, so this OR is splitted into AND A bar and B bar. That is A bar and B bar, or AB, which is nothing but A XNOR B, the equation here. So this is the way of getting two input XNOR gate. This is symbol for it. This is truth table. If you ignore this column, this is truth table for two input XNOR gate. This is symbol, logical Boolean equation or logical equation. This is one way of getting the two input XNOR gate using basic gates. This is other way of getting two input XNOR gate using other gates. There may be many more possibilities of getting two input, three input, four input XNOR gate using various types of logical gates. This is about the XNOR gate. Hope you got it. Thank you.